So a year later, this is my picked blackberries, wild berries. This is delicious. I made a real wine. This, I mastered it. Not very alcoholic. I didn't taste the temperature, what you call the percentage of alcohol in it, but it's not strong. It is just delicious, naturally brewed at home. No extra yeast, nothing. It was just the fruits. I didn't add sugar so that it cultivate. There's no effervescent because I didn't want that. I didn't want it to be sparkling. And it is... I'm so proud of myself.